I created this US phone number for free and I am currently using it on WhatsApp. I will still use this number for Telegram later. I just want to take a few minutes and show you how I was able to get this US phone number for free without paying anything. All you need to do is to follow the easy process I will be showing you in this video. Make sure you don't skip because I will be answering some important questions along the line. So sometimes when you finally get a US number or any virtual number and when you try to use it on WhatsApp, you will see this error that the phone number is invalid. I'm also going to show you how to bypass this error so that you will not have any issues while using the phone number. So the first thing you need is a VPN. If you already have a VPN on your phone, then you can use it. As for me, I'm going to use Windscribe for today. If you want to get this app, just go to Play Store and search for Windscribe. It is a free VPN. Just install it and you are ready to go. It doesn't have to be a paid VPN because I also didn't use a paid VPN, as you can see. So just open your VPN and connect to any US state because we want a US phone number. Now, before we proceed, my name is Jonathan and you are welcome to JJNs. I am a student and I am currently making money from surveys. The basic reason why I created this channel is to teach other people how to also make money from survey websites. I have already made a video on how to make money from 3 survey websites, so if you are a beginner, I think that video will be very helpful to you. Apart from teaching you how I make money through online surveys, I also share some powerful tips and tricks that will help make your life easier. I try things out and if they benefit me, I come here and I share it with my subscribers. So if you like to know more and want to learn from me and share ideas together, then please hit the subscribe button and like this video and also leave a comment. You can also join our Telegram and WhatsApp groups to stay updated with some very useful information. Thank you. So without wasting any time, let's proceed from where we stopped. After connecting to the VPN, we need to make sure everything is set up correctly. To do this, go to your browser and type whoa.net. It is whoer.net. This website will show you the accuracy of your VPN. As you can see, it is showing 90%, but we need to make sure it gets to 100% in order to be perfect. To do that, just swipe down on your phone and click the time and date. It will take you to your date and time settings page. Or go to your phone settings and enter time and date settings. You need to change the time zone to match the time zone showing on whoa.net. On whoa.net, you can see my time zone. So I need to make sure I use the exact time zone shown here. So let's go back to my time settings in order to set this up. Just click the time and date option, turn off the automatic time zone setting and also turn off local default. Also, click automatic date and time and turn it off. Then click select time zone. Here you need to select the time zone that matches the one showing on whoa.net. Then set your time to match the time for the time zone. After that, this process is done. So if I go back to whoa.net and refresh the website, you can see it is now 100%. Now let's start creating the phone number. Now the next thing you need is a fresh Gmail account. I don't care if you already have multiple Gmails, you need a fresh one. Please don't go and use old one. Follow the exact process so that you don't end up getting a negative result. Just go to your Gmail app and tap on your profile icon, scroll down and click add new account. On this page, choose Google because you need a Gmail, not other emails. Here they will ask you to sign in, just click create account instead. They will ask you what you will be using the Gmail for, click for my personal use, then enter your first and last name. If you want, you can skip the last name and just use only your first name. Then enter your date of birth here and click next. They will give you some suggestions for your Gmail. You can pick anyone or create one by yourself. Just enter the Gmail you want to use and click next to finish the process. That's it. Now you can start creating the US phone number. There are many apps that you can use, but for today I will be using this app called TextNow. I will soon share other methods of getting US phone number, UK phone number, and many other foreign phone numbers that you can use. You can go to Play Store and search TextNow, but most people complain that they can't see the app on Play Store. If you can't find the app on Play Store, just check the description of this video for a link to where you can download the app. After installing the app, open it. This is how it looks like when you first install it. Just click sign up to create your account. Please make sure your VPN is on and connected to a United States address before you proceed with this. If not, it will not work. When you click sign up, you can sign up with Google account or Facebook account, but I recommend you use email to register. Just click the last option. Here you need to enter your email and a password for your account. Just use the newly created Gmail address. Enter a strong password for your account and agree to terms and conditions, then click sign up. Here they will ask you to complete a challenge to confirm you are not a robot. Just press and hold the button, it will finish loading, then wait for it to redirect you automatically. As you can see, I just finished creating a new account. On the lower part of the screen, you will see this button that says activate 5G phone service. Don't click it. Instead, click the second one that says use Wi-Fi only for now. Then this thing will pop up. Click select phone number. Then they will ask if you want to get a phone number using your area code. Click don't use location. Even though your VPN is working, don't allow them to use your location. Here they will ask you to enter the area code you want to use for your phone number. There are many area codes that you can use for your phone number. If you don't know which one to use, just search USA area codes on Google and you will see them. As for me, I want to this is one of the area codes that usually work without issues. Then they will take you to where you can select a phone number that you want to use. Now this is where I will ask you to pay a close attention. Remember when I told you that sometimes WhatsApp will say the phone number is invalid? Well, here is the total solution to that problem. Whenever they show you these numbers, make sure you don't rush to choose. Just try them one after the other on WhatsApp and use the one that don't have that error. For example, try the first one. If it says the phone number is invalid, then try the second one. Do them one by one until you finally get the one that works without error. So open WhatsApp, then create a new account, enter the phone number you want to use and click next. And by the way, let me make this clear. Make sure you use only WhatsApp, not WhatsApp business. Use only WhatsApp and not WhatsApp business. This one is very important. As for me, this number worked for me, so I will use it. If a number works for you, go back to TextNow app and continue with that number. As you can see, this is my own number that I got. So now let's confirm the WhatsApp code. So I will go to WhatsApp and click the call option so that I will receive the phone number through a call. So I will just enter the WhatsApp code and confirm my WhatsApp number. Just like that, I got a free WhatsApp number to use. I can also use this number on Telegram. So if you followed every step here, you should be able to get your own US phone number for free. I will also share other methods of getting US phone number very soon. So if you are the type of person that works with virtual number and you are looking for free ways to get them, then stay tuned. Also, if you love to make money from surveys and other methods for free, then make sure you watch my survey video and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button and leave a comment. Also, join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups for more updates. Thanks for watching.